Jamaica, this is your host Kez Enriquez for the brand new talent show Talent Explosion on Lynx TV. Here on channel 394 Flow TV, channel 45 Oliver. You can call and set up appointment to showcase your talent. Call me at 847-4934. Talent Explosion. You see, God give a talent to every man. If you don't use your talent, you might lose it. So call me and arrange an interview. Without a doubt, Talent Explosion. Your talent might be as small as bouncing ball. Or it might be an artist, you might be an actor, a dancer, you might be a chef. There is no limit when it comes to talent.
This is where the magic happens. I'm Dario aka City from CR3 Records, and I proudly support Artist Elevation 2013. Do you have the skills to compete against talented DJs, the drive to elevate that hidden star? Register for Artist Elevation 2013. To participate, contact us by email at sashkaproduction@gmail.com or artistelevation@yahoo.com, or check us out on Facebook at www.facebook.com/sashka.production.
So your computer isn't working okay. Don't be disheartened. Come to Computer Genie and we'll fix it for you. Shop 12D Portmore Mall, 988-3997 or 883-0525. Hello, I'm Ian Bennett, manager of Computer Genie. Visit or call us and ask about the Home Genie computer package. It has a 17-inch LCD monitor, HP color printer, and a computer system with an Intel Celeron processor, 2 GB of RAM, 500 GB hard drive, and a web camera. Call us at 988-3997 or 883-0525.
Fair restaurant, best in Portmore. Steamed fish, fried fish, escamille fish, don't talk about it. Pork, chicken, maximum.
We specialize in jerk pork, jerk chicken, regular Jamaican dishes, oxtail, curry goat, with the roti, etc.
Yourself and loved ones with personalized facials, massages, skin peels, and more at Pretty Faces Beauty Studio and Spa, Portmore's first official spa at Shop 28D Portmore Mall, across from Mother's. Other services include makeup application, product consultation, tattoos, and body piercing. For appointment and gift certificates, call us at 998-5275. Awesome!
Sashka Dance Studio. We teach modern contemporary dance, traditional, hip-hop, dancehall, and Latin dance to age groups 5 years to adults. At Sashka, we believe dancing is a fun way to lose weight, get fit, de-stress, and get hip. We offer dance aerobics to promote fitness. Dance Ensemble is available for performances at any function. Come, join the dance revolution and dance your way to a hipper, healthier you. Yes, we can. Sashka, Dynamic Vibes Entertainment, celebrating fun, fitness, and dance freedom.
Yeah man, so welcome to Talent Explosion. So what's your name?
Well, my name is Shanice Fuller.
Yeah, and what's the talent that you come to display here today?
I'm a singer.
You hear it from her, she's a singer. So, at what point in your life you realized that you were a singer?
When I was in grade 4, I was singing in the shower and my mommy said, you know you can sing.
Well, so you're a bathroom singer?
No, I'm coming from there.
Oh, you hear that she coming from a bathroom singer, but now she going to tell us where she is today.
Well, I'm not anywhere big.
Now, what you say, you are on Talent Explosion. So, you done set it, you see me? Yeah, so, otherwise, where do you see your talent taking you?
Where I would like you to take me is overseas to do some collabs.
Oh, so you think about local and international in the whole music industry.
Yeah.
So, who in the industry you look up to as a big artist?
Male, shaggy, female, lady star.
Yeah, what you say? You like Mama Sa?
Yeah.
See it there? Yeah. I like the Spikes thing for real. So, tell me now, what about Shaggy where you rate?
Well, Maria say him take the music thing overseas and him do whole heap of good things for the society, like to charity and all these things.
Yeah man, a whole heap of good Shaggy do. Him have him charity organization and him international, yeah? So, him must say go Jamaica. Now, boom. How you see yourself a go be a name to reckon with in the whole music industry? How you plan to go from here to there to in the future where you want to get?
Well, me have to start out. Well, I would like to start out on doing a collab with Shaggy or Mumasa, so he can take me to the music industry, so I can go big.
But suppose Shaggy or Mumasa are not available. You mean say that's your talent dead?
No,
So let me know what go on.
me I go into the studio and start.
See it there? Alright. So right about now, she want to make some studio link. You have to endorse the talent, you know, cause God say, if you don't use it, then what?
You go lose it.
See it there? Straight. A talent explosion. And right about now, you gonna do a thing for it, don't it?
Yep.
Yeah man, make the people in my home know what you can do, you see me? And also, make them know them can find you know.
Well, you can reach me at 455-1064. That's 455-1064. My email address is cadetgirl01@yahoo.com.
Anyway, make us see what she make up out there. You be the judge. Me know without a shadow of a doubt, say if you want to be an international artist, your only limit is you. You understand me? So, deal with the thing.
Wanna be a good girl, I'm so bad. Gotta be a lady, I can be a. Give it to your sexy, rude girl swag. When you get it, it's gonna be the best you ever had. I'm a rebel, I'm a rebel, I'm a rebel, I'm a rebel. Yeah, I'm a rebel. You are rebel. I'm a rebel, I'm a rebel, I'm a rebel. Rebel is a bad girl, Shania. Ready for whatever, cause you know me no shy. This your girl I walk with her head in the sky. And I'm a tight shorts and my shades span me. Oh yes, me full up of the bad girl finesse. In my 16 stilettos and in my dress. Coulda done in the gully or the red carpet. You fi beat it till the meter reset. Wanna be a good girl, I'm so bad. Gotta be a lady, I can be a. Give it to your sexy, rude girl swag. When you get it, it's gonna be the best you ever had. I'm a rebel, I'm a rebel, I'm a rebel, I'm a rebel. Yeah, I'm a rebel. You a rebel, I'm a rebel, I'm a rebel, I'm a rebel. Me did tell you me a rebel though, rebel with no class. Shortest of minutes, no commas, no pause. Rebel internal, why forget pause? Sorry, yeah, my fault just because me no live by no limit, no rule by no laws. Girl, I take where she get me, I get when me want. What you say? We have the flavor, we are the best, the baddest. I'm from Jamaica. I wanna be a good girl, I'm so bad. Gotta be a lady, I can be a. I heard that you're settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came through. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Old friend, why you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it out. I hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead.
Talent explosion! Hey, what wanna say? Rebel Shanai? Yeah, man, remember, a talent explosion is here upon, yeah? And you can hear your talent. All you have to do is just call and set up your appointment. Call me on 847-4934. Kez, your host, Talent Explosion.
This is where the magic happens. I'm Dario aka City from CR3 Records, and I proudly support Artist Elevation 2013. Do you have the skills to compete against talented DJs, the drive to elevate that hidden star? Register for Artist Elevation 2013. To participate, contact us by email at sashkaproduction@gmail.com or artistelevation@yahoo.com, or check us out on Facebook at www.facebook.com/sashka.production.
So your computer isn't working okay. Don't be disheartened. Come to Computer Genie and we'll fix it for you. Shop 12D Portmore Mall, 988-3997 or 883-0525. Hello, I'm Ian Bennett, manager of Computer Genie. Visit or call us and ask about the Home Genie computer package. It has a 17-inch LCD monitor, HP color printer, and a computer system with an Intel Celeron processor, 2 GB of RAM, 500 GB hard drive, and a web camera. Call us at 988-3997 or 883-0525.
Fair restaurant, best in Portmore. Steamed fish, fried fish, escovitch fish, don't talk about it. Pork, chicken, maximum.
We specialize in jerk pork, jerk chicken, regular Jamaican dishes, oxtail, curry goat, with the roti, etc.
Yourself and loved ones with personalized facials, massages, skin peels, and more at Pretty Faces Beauty Studio and Spa, Portmore's first official spa at Shop 28B Portmore Mall, across from Mother's. Other services include makeup application, product consultation, tattoos, and body piercing. For appointment and gift certificates, call us at 998-5275. Awesome!
Sashka Dance Studio. We teach modern contemporary dance, traditional, hip-hop, dancehall, and Latin dance to age groups 5 years to adults. At Sashka, we believe dancing is a fun way to lose weight, get fit, de-stress, and get hip. We offer dance aerobics to promote fitness. Dance Ensemble is available for performances at any function. Come, join the dance revolution and dance your way to a hipper, healthier you. Yes, we can. Sashka, Dynamic Vibes Entertainment, celebrating fun, fitness, and dance freedom.
Yeah, man, so Agwan, welcome to Talent Explosion.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, man, so make the viewers them know what's your name now.
My name is Andrew Brooks.
Andrew Brooks. And what is the talent that you want to display here today?
Well, I'm an artist, a drawing artist.
Oh, you're an artist, like a visual artist.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, definitely. All right, so when you realize that you have this talent?
Well, me realize this from a young age, you know, from a little boy, cause me used to draw upon everything in the house.
So it's a talent where you're born with?
Yes. Yeah.
All right, so you must get whole heap of beating for your draw up on the wall, though.
Me for tell ya.
Yeah, but You see, once Father God give a man a talent and him exercise the talent, it must get better, you know. You understand me?
Sure.
Yeah, man. So, what your talent do for you so far in our life?
Well, it not do nothing for me as such so far, apart from, you know, get me out there, little work and here and there. But no, great.
But it's a bread, cause you said get your little work. Because this is what we want the people them to know, you know. You can earn a living off of your talent. Be it whatever it may be. You understand me? But you have to know to market yourself. Cause God give you a gift, you know. You have to know how to use that gift there. So far it a provide little bread. So, alright. How you see it a go help you in all tomorrow or next year or so? What are your plans?
Well, my plans, well, my talent, you know, well, hopefully I want to help my family, you know, not me personally, you know, because you see, we've done certain things and been through certain things, so I say for my family them. My talent now I have to help my family them, the future, you see?
Okay.
Yeah.
So, you ever send up none of your work to an exhibition or try make up some scenery and them thing there and try get it sold and so on?
Yeah, we do various little works where we sell on street side and them sort of things there. And I used to work in a graphics center, so yeah.
Oh, so you not only draw, but you can manipulate the computer.
Yes.
Because I want people to know that it's art too, you know, graphics art it's art anyway, yeah? So it's a talent. You understand me? So you could have put like a big scenery on a wall, like all the side of a house.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, man, you have to make the people them know, man. Yo, the thing start out away. This man you can paint a big scenery on the side of the house. Sign.
T-shirt printed, any form of art, you name it.
Yo, from you can think about it. The brother say him can do it. So you carry nothing for sure, way.
Yes, me bring a couple pictures with me today.
Alright, but here you did get no formal training when you realize that boom, me have this talent. You did go nowhere to try work on it.
No, the only training me did get in a school in the art class. We used to go art class and them something there, cause as me tell you, me did interested from a baby stage, so.
Well, art class a good training still, cause the teacher sort it out certain way and nurture that talent and said do so, not do so, yeah?
Yeah, get a
so
structure
you get something. Alright, here what? We want to see some of the talent we have. And also, we want you show with some of your work what you do already. And we also want to see you drop a one drawing. Cause any man can carry work come say me did do this, you know. But we like see it, you understand me?
Yeah,
so
we're not believing, not true.
See it there? Yeah, man. Alright, so we're going to go over here, son, look on some of your work. Yeah, so right now we have used some of the pieces where the artists draw. So, Andrew, tell me about that piece here.
Right, that piece here was the Olympics. This is when Jamaica mad it up. And yeah, that's my inspiration for that one. So we say we have the werewolf, the lightning bolt, the man himself, and the beast.
Mad. So I represent in Jamaica. Yeah, man, I like it. But you're drawing them kind of have a tattoo look to it, you know?
Yeah, so most of my drawings, cause I do tattoos as well, as I told you. Anything with to do with art is me, so.
Okay, so tattoo artists can get in contact with you.
Yes.
Some designs and thing. Yeah, man. Oh, this is Uncle D, man?
Yes, Tommy Lee, cause you know, say, I'm around the place right now and that.
Well, you them say Uncle D, man, yeah? So, see Andrew draw Uncle D, man.
Yeah, I'll put some images out there.
Yeah, and that one is collage.
Collage, yeah, this is a collage of pictures where we just say, my art is my life, you know, and it just have a lot of little things that represent certain things, you know?
So, make the people them know what a collage is, no?
Oh, collage is when you basically, you don't really have no structure to it, you just put a lot of pictures together where signify something to you, so, yeah, that is a collage.
Okay. Yeah, we can see the mask, them money and can see flossing go on here, so. Yes. And we see the beast get hurt somewhere, so, but we say power to the people. See there?
And then there's a major part where in a life too, you know, if we notice, you know, you see.
Yeah, man, you have to see the godliness in it. You understand what I say? Yeah, the thing deep, and without a shadow of a doubt, every man want prosperity. See the diamond there? Alright, sir. Yeah, man, I like it. Okay.
tattoo.
So you can reproduce them thing upon a like bike helmet or
Yes,
car side and them thing there?
Car side, shop, shutters, walls, anywhere.
Okay. Yeah, man. I like how the thing set, you know. So right about now, we want Andrew carry a whole heap of drawing come show we and them look good. But we don't want to see Andrew draw something, yeah? So right about now, Andrew, we don't want you go in your stuff and get some blank paper and draw a thing for we. So Andrew, what you go draw for we?
Well, I couldn't think of nothing better than the little scenery over there. So right here, so I go draw.
What you say? You go draw right here, so?
Yeah, man, right here, so.
Alright, it's a good look. What you say? Talent Explosion, Links TV. Take it away. Jano, a talent explosion, and you want view the drawing. Cause right now it look like a photograph, but not telling a lie. We never make it up. You see it happen before your own eye. Andrew, but the people them know how them can find you, no, man.
Yeah, man, you can contact me upon 4656760 at myspace.com. Nasty N7, that are nasty Nazty N7.
Nasty N7, Jano, hey, the talent a shot though. Talent explosion. Jano star, it's like a photograph. Yeah, man. Remember, we're upon Links TV, and this is Talent Explosion. Check we out now, Flo, Oliver. That's how we do it. Talent explosion. God give unto everyone a talent. If you do not use your talent, nurture your talent, then you may lose your talent.